Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen, and in today's video I'm going to be testing out the Hard Candy Max Pout Plumping Serum. So if you guys want to see how this is going to go, then keep watching. You might remember that a couple months ago I tried out the Too Faced lip injections, and that I just bought the mini and it was like $14. This is from Walmart and it was like $6. I'll have the price on the screen, but it was super affordable, and this is obviously full size. So this is what it looks like. The packaging is actually really nice. I'm sorry I'm so shaky. I don't know why I'm so shaky. But I'm really interested to see how this is gonna go. So it doesn't smell very good at all. It kind of smells like mothballs, so that's fun. So this is a little swatch. It's just a clear gloss. So let's get this show on the road. I'm going to apply this the same exact way as I did the Too Faced lip injections. So first I'm going to go in with a lip scrub, and I'm using the Fizz and Bubbles lip scrub in Mint Mojito. I'm just gonna lick my lips a little bit and put a little bit on my finger and just rub it in. And then you get to lick this one off because it's edible and it tastes so good. All right, time to try this. So it is 12:52 in the afternoon, and I'm just going to apply this straight to my dry lips. I'm not applying any other lip product on top. Let's see how this goes. Okay, I'm feeling a little bit of a tingle. It is not, I'm probably gonna jinx myself, but it is not as intense as the Too Faced lip injections was. But there is a slight tingle. So far, I really like that this one is just a clear gloss. The lip injections one is more of like a iridescent. But I mean, it doesn't really matter, but I'd rather have a clear gloss. I'm starting now to feel like a little more of a tingle. It's a minute later, 12:53. I feel like they kind of look the same. I've noticed that when you do a lip scrub, it like makes your lips look a little fuller and plump, which I've been liking. I do it every night, and then I've been realizing like, oh, my lips are looking a little plumper when I wake up. So that's always good to know. I feel like my top lip, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's getting like really red in like the Cupid's bow area. And this is what happened the last time with the Too Faced lip injections. So I'm gonna come back in a couple of minutes and I'll check in with you guys and let you know what's going on with my lips. We are about 7 minutes in, and my lips are tingling the most right now. They have gotten a little plumper, I do have to say, especially in the inner corner of my lips. I just noticed like that getting the plumpest. My Cupid's bow area and along here are like the reddest. This is weird. This is a weird one. It definitely works. I do have to say that. It's not a dud. So this obviously is not a long lasting thing. The plumpingness is probably going to go away within about an hour, probably once I eat, because I'm starving. That's probably why I'm so shaky. But the tingling has now finally gone away. It's been about like 8 minutes. So let's say, I guess, about like 8 minutes of tingling. It's like a cooling sensation now. It's really, really weird. But I definitely think that this does work. It's at Walmart. You should go check it out and try it for yourself. It is a fun product. I don't know if I'll use it like on a regular basis. I'm kind of curious to see like if it'll work with a lipstick underneath or something. So I'll definitely have to try that, and I'll let you guys know if it works. I'll probably on Instagram or something. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And that is the end of this video. Let me know if you guys like these kind of videos or I just try things on camera. I have done a couple of these in the past, but I just want to know if you guys like them. I think they're really fun to do. So like I said, let me know. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box if you guys want to follow me on everything or on anything. I'm super active on Instagram and on Twitter, so you should definitely go follow me there. If you guys have any video suggestions, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know how you think this particular lip product went. Do you think it was better than the Too Faced lip injections or worse? Let me know in the comments down below. I'll link the Too Faced lip injections video down below if you guys want to check that out so you can get like a little comparison. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do it too. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. As you guys know, I'm doing shout outs now, and to get a shout out on my channel, all you need is to follow me on Twitter and find a tweet, or you can subscribe to my channel and just leave a nice comment on a video for a shout out in my next video. This week is Evie Saves the Day. She has an amazing channel. She's been trying to grow her channel, I know, a lot more and try to upload more, so go subscribe to her. Everything is down below if you guys want to check her out.